What do you need to start a box truck business? Hi out there, subscribers. We try our best to make this YouTube channel interesting, to gather and prepare all the necessary lessons that can be found in one place. Write your ideas for the next videos, ask questions, and we'll help you to get an answer. Thank you for being with us. 70% of all freight in the United States is currently transported by the trucking industry. A box truck business is one of the profitable types of businesses, yet also the most competitive. The success of your affairs depend on how you analyze the market, search for partners to cooperate, and how flexible you can be. Keep watching this video to get a promising start. Step 1. Write a business plan. Just like you'd begin a new job with a fresh perspective and set of goals, you also want to start your new box trucking company with an organized plan. A business plan is your roadmap to success, and you can clearly see the potential obstacles. It helps you to get organized, identify goals, and articulate your value propositions. Step 2. Legally establish your company. This step is of great importance, so be sure to pay enough attention. When you form a corporation or LLC, you will need to take the following steps. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is the state's way of communicating with the business entity and is required by law in most states. Obtain your EIN to open a bank account. Your employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. This 9-digit number is required to open a business bank account and must be present on all tax filings for the life of your business. Step 3. Get permits and other documents. Depending on your services and where you operate your trucking company, any number of licenses and permits may apply to your business. A commercial driver's license, CDL, and any necessary endorsement. Federal law requires drivers of commercial motor vehicles to obtain a CDL, a US DOT number. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, uses trucking companies' unique US DOT number to identify the company when conducting inspections, audits, and investigations. A Motor Carrier Operating Authority, MC number. You may need to obtain more than one MC number for your trucking business, depending on your business operations. A BOC3 filing. Every motor carrier, broker, and freight forwarder is required to designate a process agent that can file for BOC3 or blanket of coverage on their behalf with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA. Only one completed form may be on file, and it must include all states for which agency designations are required. One copy must be retained by the carrier or broker at its principal place of business. International Registration Plan, IRP, credentials, and International Fuel Tax Agreements, IFTA decal. Trucking companies offering services in or across multiple states must obtain IRP credentials and IFTA decals for their vehicles. UCR. UCR stands for Unified Carrier Registration Program. It is a federally mandated system for registering operators of commercial vehicles who are involved in interstate and international travel. This annual UCR filing must be renewed by December 31st each year. If you still don't know whether you need to register it, go and visit their official site. Answer some questions and you get an answer. We have a detailed video about a UCR on our channel where we're telling you what to do if you don't know whether you need to register it, why you need it, what is the coincidence of not registering it, and everything you may have questions about. Step 4. Buy or lease the right equipment. Speak to professional truck drivers that have made the transition to owner-operator and take time to compare options before making a purchasing decision. We added a special lesson to our course. You will get a list of equipment for each type of trailer. Things that are not supposed to be named equipment are also on the list. Everything that you will be using for sure. Not everyone is sharing this info. Step 5. Select the proper insurance coverage. Try to pick the most suitable package of insurance. Remember that when you apply for insurance, they will ask for your EIN number. A sum of monthly or annual coverage can be calculated properly. You can wait till your authority is already active and then you're able to get an insurance. Primary liability insurance, cargo insurance, physical damage insurance, passenger accident insurance. Step 6. Choose an operable truck. It would be nice to have a friend who works as a mechanic. Before buying, check everything you can. Sit and feel the wheel. You have to pick a vehicle which is comfortable, affordable, reliable, and makes money. The Japanese automobile manufacturer Isuzu produces box trucks that are known for their reliability, fuel efficiency, and durability. The popular Freightliner trucks are some of the most powerful box trucks currently available. Specifically, the Freightliner M2-106 is an all-round workhorse that is perfect for long-distance hauling and delivering bulky loads. American manufacturer Navistar International hosts a variety of box truck models that offer versatility, maneuverability, and high productivity. This includes the International RH series, which possesses high capabilities that can meet the toughest job demands. Or leave a comment down below and write which vehicle is most profitable and reliable. Share your honest feedback about it and help others to save money. Let's keep a friendly atmosphere on here. Step 7. DOT decals. US DOT vinyl decals are a long-term solution to display your US DOT number while keeping you legal on the road. The DOT decals are pre-spaced and ready to apply for easy installation on any smooth surface. Our US DOT stickers are a great alternative to magnetic signs for your US DOT compliant vehicle number. You can get them for around $20 to $40. Step 8. DOT inspection. What is a DOT inspection? To help increase roadway safety in the US, the Department of Transportation, DOT, performs inspections on commercial motor vehicles, CMVs, and ensures all parts and components are in good working condition. This should be done annually. The price is somewhere between $80 to a couple of $100. Step 9. You need your ELD or logbooks. The electronic logging device, rule congressionally mandated as part of MAP 21, is intended to help create a safer work environment for drivers and makes it easier and faster to accurately track, manage, and share records of duty status roads data. It's better for you to have both electronic and paper one when struggling to use the device. This is the proof that you are a responsible driver and you drive the right amount of hours. One that is Truck X is very easy to use and is certified by FMCSA. Another one that's highly recommended is Samsara. Again, pick what is more comfortable for you. There's a thing. You also need a good GPS. It is good when you have two in one. I mean both GPS and ELD combined. You may pay for it like $200 to $1,000. Step 10. Factoring company services. When starting a new trucking business, it is often necessary to have cash upfront to pay for fuel and expenses to deliver the load, all before getting paid. Truck factoring helps avoid bank loans so you can start your business by getting a trucking invoice paid in advance. I'll share 3 of them with you. They were chosen by carrier companies as the best ones. OTR Capital, fastest funding and best true non-recourse factoring program. Core Fund Capital. Reviews tout it's a reliable and quality factoring company. Outline the Southern Bank Company. Low fees, accounts receivable based financing. Step 11. Stay in compliance. Owning and operating a business means staying up to date on time-sensitive filing requirements, ranging from IFTA's quarterly tax returns to multi-year renewals of CDL. Failure to keep up with these requirements can result in loss of good standing or significant penalties. Lastly, I want to remind you about finding a load with the help of a load board. The Truck Dispatcher Training recommends you to watch the video that our leading dispatcher has recorded. Do as he does and get the best loads for your box truck. Good luck with your box truck business. Stay healthy and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More videos are coming soon. Bye.